Vids AI Reels video editor, trending filters and effects. Combine your videos and photos into a video with the cool transitions, aesthetic effects and filters to the beat of trendy music in just a couple of minutes. Perfect for TikTok and Instagram Reels. Create high quality content like professional video makers. Edit videos right from your phone without using complicated mobile and desktop programs. This is designed specifically for iPhone users who frequently shoot at their phones and are active on social media. So yeah, kind of cool app for, just generating a lot of TikTok, Instagram Reels content. Reel and TikTok, a lot of templates, transitions, fonts, music, editing tools, AI styles, kind of nice app. And then yeah, you can just, so there is 3-day free trial. View all plans, $5 per month, billed annually as $60. So there is monthly $10 and free trial only on yearly plan, unfortunately. So as you can see, that's basically the idea. Then let's see. So here's the view of all templates. You can see a lot of different trendy styles which are going viral on TikTok already, prepared with music, with everything. Unfortunately, it's only after paid subscription. Instantly, then you have a trend in the in this app, and then you have account. You can just log in, create your account. I don't know whether you have some kind of promo codes or referral codes in here, but yeah, that's the app.